So, I just found potentially the hidden gem at Harbor Freight. It's a little pocket knife. Let's go in and check it out. All right, got the goods. Obviously a siphon. I'm gonna try to make an outboard fuel thing out of this after I use it for siphon purposes. The knife. So give me 1 second and we'll tear into this fella. There's the item number if you're interested in that. Here's the package. It's got a little adjustable clip on it. Liner lock, flipper tab, yada yada. And there's the knife in all its glory. Folds easily. Liner lock blade, drop point design, durable handle, smooth ball bearing pivot. All this for only $9.99. So let's get into it and see what it's about. Let's see if we can do this one-handed with the handy dandy Swiss Army knife. Let's try to do this as safely as possible, if that's a thing. Don't want to tear myself up on camera. All right, we're in, kind of. Alright, aside from having to open this up with one hand because, you know, gotta do it for the video. Here's the smooth opening knife. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Well, it actually is pretty smooth. Okay. Well, let's get rid of the package. Wow, that's pretty nice. I think once it gets torn apart and oiled up, it should be pretty neat. So, all right, so there's the knife in all its glory. It's just a, from a new brand of the Harbor Freight line. Let's see. Yeah, it's actually pretty smooth. It appears to be quite sharp as well, just from initial impressions. But yeah, this might be Harbor Freight's hidden gem. Today's Bible verse is Proverbs 15:16. Better is little with the fear of the Lord than great treasure with trouble. Just remember that no matter what we have, no matter if it's expensive or cheap or non-existent, that if we can use what we have in our availability to serve, please, and bring glory to God, that's all that matters. So just keep that in mind. All right, time for torture test number 1. What people actually do with their knives. Worked great. Torture test number 2, the cardboard box. There's more tape. up for the task. No damage. Appears great. Package opened. All right, well, there you have it. This is the Gordon pocket knife from Harbor Freight. Seems pretty decent, so maybe I'll put it through its paces a little bit and see what we can do. Thanks for watching, and God bless.